Hello world. So we're gonna try out Reddit Wizard today by going to the search bar and typing in Reddit Wizard. And today I want to post an r/software, and the topic is going to be how to code effortlessly with YoClick AI. And then, oh my bad. And then my idea is going to be this description. And then my image is going to be this shit, where'd it go? Okay, I don't have the picture on here, but it's okay because it'll come up with some good shit anyway. Effortless coding. Create a Python tic-tac toe game with YoClick AI. Have you ever wanted to create a simple game but felt overwhelmed by the coding process? Here's an exciting way to break through that barrier. With YoClick AI, you can effortlessly create a tic-tac-toe game in Python by using their innovative code and rewrite features. Whether you're just starting out or already have some programming experience, this method offers a perfect blend of AI assistance and hand-on coding. This step-by-step demonstration will guide you through leveraging AI technology to streamline your coding projects, making it not only efficient but also insightful. From beginners to seasoned developers, anyone can benefit from understanding how AI can enhance programming skills. See, it wrote some pretty good stuff, so I'm actually going to use that on my Reddit right now. So that's it. That's how you use Reddit Wizard.